gamble for a while, for sometimes, not all the time. Once in a while. A continuation for my vacation. My vacation will end on Sunday. Monday I'm gonna go back to work. So let's enjoy my vacation. Okay guys, see you there. Alright guys, this is already Louisiana. It's outside of Texas already. We are in the border of Louisiana and Texas. Our home is close to the border. Another state in USA. Okay guys, we changed our mind. We're gonna go to Delta Down, not in the other casino. Delta Down is closer here, so let's go there. Let's try our gamble journey. Gamble adventure. Guys, here we are. The Delta Down. Delta Down. Yes, we're turning. There you go. Cecilia's son is working here.
Is he?
Yeah. Jeremiah. There you go. We are here at Delta Downs. We're trying to gamble. We're trying to waste our money. We don't have money. Yay, yay, yay. Alright, let's go inside. Si husband na boring na kay picture pa ako. Yes, we're here na guys. Magka-gamble kami. For a change, ibahin na naman natin ang ating ano. May nagsasalita. Ibahin na naman natin ang ating vlog. For a change sa vlog. Okay, let's go inside. Ba't may mga paton mga nagsasalita pa? Wala naman. Ano bang nangyayari sa akin? Alright guys, we're done. We're not allowed to take video there and take pictures, so we just play. And guess what? We won a lot of money. I won. I just
Okay, you want
I won a lot of money. I won $140, 140. Yeah. I won. This is money from first time I won. First time I won like cents, and then we go to another slot. We get to another machine. First I won $67, and then $75. Yeah, this is the money I won. The money. Not black, but $140. But it's for me for the first time. It's not bad. Yay, yay, yay. This is our adventure for today. Yeah. Alright guys, we're going home now. We're heading home, and I think we're gonna get something.
Yeah, you need to get back on your directions.
Yeah, we're gonna. Where's the direction?
At the I-10, maybe I can see it up here.
Yeah. So for now, we're gonna go to going home. Where is it? Oh, I canceled it. Not bad for the first time, guy. I gamble now. I'm a gambler. Okay, where to go? Where you go? Orleans. The state of New Orleans, Louisiana.
Right here.
Yeah. Exit going to our home. It's just 15 to 20 minutes to get there, and Lake Charles and Delta Town. That's close to our home. Like, how many miles?
I don't know, baby. You'd have to look it up on your phone. I'd say it's probably about
40 miles?
no, about 15 or something.
15 miles?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, 15 miles. So just close to our home.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, buckle up. Alis tayo. Pupunta tayo sa Walmart, mag-grocery ako. After ng vacation, walang pagkain. So, aalis na naman tayo. Okay, gano'n na lang. Gano'n na lang. Ay. Ito sa gitna talaga itong sasakyan ng babaeng kontrabida. Okay guys, maya tayo mag-vlog. Hi guys, hi guys, tapos na ako mag-grocery. Tapos, nakalimutan ko yung cellphone ko pala. Kasi cellphone ang gamit ko, hindi yung GoPro. Nakalimutan ko sa car. So, hindi ako nakapag-video doon. So, dito na lang tayo mag-hauling ang aking pinamili for today's video. Ayan o. Yung roses na ito, binili ko for my birthday. Regalo ko sa sarili ko. It's $24 here. Tapos nabili ako ng ito, tea. Yan. Price. At ito, cheese. Sliced cheese, American cheese, at tatlong bell pepper, orange, tsaka pink, at tsaka carrots. Nag-haul na tayo sa daan, nagtaka na yung mga tao. Carrots, and then ano na, ito, ano ito dito? Ito yung nachos na cheese, salsa con queso for husband, para sa chips din. At dito yung mga snacks ko. Yan, isa, dalawa. Then, meron tayong ito, golden curry, para mag-curry. At saka another, white turkey ham, oven roasted. Yan yung para sa morning breakfast namin with the bread. And mayroon tayong bagels. Ayan. Blueberry bagels. Blunders. At brown bread. Nature's whole wheat. At saka dalawang ano ng tilapia. Dalawang pack. Ayan. Kasi mura $4. So bumili ako ng dalawa. Ayan. At my milk. milk. Okay. O, yan ang pinamili ko ngayon. Ayan. Yan lang yung ating grocery for today. Nag-haul na tayo dito sa loob. Sasakyan. May patatas na pala tayo. Hindi ko na pakita sa inyo. Bumili pala ako ng patatas kasi baka mag-ano ako. Ay, mag-chicken curry nga ako. Ayan, patatas. Ayan na. Pinamili. Sarado na natin. Diyan ka na lang. Alright guys, let's go. Alright guys, let's go. Punta ko na ako sa Dennis. Bili ako ng chicken kasi mag-chicken curry na ako para kay husband. Alright guys, doon na tayo mag-video sa Dennis. Bye-bye po now. Hi guys, welcome back. Ito, tapos na ako nabili sa Dennis. Nakalimutan ko naman mag-video. Pero ito, ipakita ko sa inyo kung anong pinamili ko. Yan. Chicken. Chicken at meat. Visit or chicken curry ako. Makapansit bukas chicken curry ngayon. Alright guys, buckle up. Paalis na naman tayo, uwi na tayo. Ito na last na to. Na ano, muling stopover. Stopover talaga. Sige na guys, ginagay ko kayo dyan. Dyan. Alright. Ano tayo? Back up. Tingin. Okay. Reverse pala. Lagay ko sa drive. Dalawang car. Meron pa namang ano doon oh. Wala akong makita dito. Okay, wala ko sa cat. Go! Uwi na tayo sa bahay guys. Uwing po. Tingnan ko natin sa inyo iba ang napuntahan ko. Okay.